हेलो लर्नर्स वेलकम टू मेंटी मॉड्यूल जदि आपण माने अपकमिंग सीएसटी और ओएसएसटी प्रिपरेशन करूथांती तेबे एई वीडियोटी आपण मानक पई हेल्पफुल रहिबो। एई वीडियो रे आमे नै कि आसीछु ओएसएसटी 2016 क्वेश्चन पेपर जूलॉजी पेपर जोठा रहिछि 20 क्वेश्चन। चलंतु देरी न करी स्टार्ट करिबा। First, 81. From which country was the phenomenon of industrial melanism first reported? Option A, United Kingdom, B, USA, C, China, D, India. Correct answer है option A, United Kingdom. Industrial melanism is a term that describes how some animals change color in response to environmental changes caused by pollution. पॉल्यूशन जो एनवायरमेंट किसी जो चेंजेस आसी थाए ता सह निजको एडप्ट करने किसी ऑर्गेनिजम निजर बॉडी कलर को चेंज करथांती ताकि से माने निजको प्रीडेटर ठारू प्रोटेक्ट करि पारिबे। तो से टर्म को कहा जाए इंडस्ट्रियल मेलानिज्म। इंडस्ट्रियल मेलानिज्म वाज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर बाय विलियम बेटसन एंड इट वाज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड यूनाइटेड किंगडम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल इज म्यूल? Option A, habitat isolation, B, mechanical isolation, C, hybrid sterility, D, hybrid breakdown. Correct answer is option C, hybrid sterility. A mule is obtained by a cross between a male donkey and a female horse. Next, what does cause increase in skin cancer and high mutation rate? Ozone layer depletion, acid rain, photochemical smoke or carbon dioxide? Ozone layer depletion cause increase in skin cancer and high mutation rate. Option A is the correct answer, ozone layer depletion. 84. Which of the following was the cause of Bhopal gas tragedy? Option A, hydrogen cyanide, B, potassium cyanide, C, carbon monoxide, D, methyl isocyanide. Bhopal gas tragedy was caused due to option D, methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide. It was in the year 1984. Next, which enzyme does cause the curdling of milk in herbivorous mammals? Option A, maltase, B, renin, C, trypsin, D, lactase. Curdling of milk in mammal due to the enzyme renin. Option B is the correct answer. 86. Which hormone does increase the permeability of DCT to water? Option A, TSH, B, FSH, C, oxytocin, D, ADH. Hormone vasopressin increase the permeability of DCT to water, and vasopressin is also called ADH or antidiuretic hormone. Option D is the correct answer. Read the statement and indicate the correct one. First statement देछि cerebellum is present on the posterior part of hindbrain. It is wrong. Cerebellum is present on the posterior part of brain but not the hindbrain. Second देछि cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain. It is correct. Cerebrum is the largest part of brain and cerebellum is the second largest part of brain. Then देछि cerebellum helps to maintain the equilibrium and balance of the body. It is also correct. So option I and double I and triple I is correct but one is wrong. एठारे option C is the correct answer. Double I and triple I right but I wrong. Next, which hormone is produced in human females if pregnancy has occurred? During pregnancy human females रे को hormone produce होता है? Option A, estrogen, option B, progesterone, option C, luteinizing hormone, option D, chorionic gonadotropin. During pregnancy human female produce human chorionic gonadotropin. Option D is the correct answer, chorionic gonadotropin. 89. In which part of the sperm is actual genetic material present? Option A, tail, B, head, C, middle piece, D, neck. Genetic material sperm रो क्यों part present है? Genetic material is present in the head of the sperm and middle piece रे था mitochondria. Option B is the correct answer, head. 90. The testes descend into scrotal sac outside the abdomen because sperm formation requires. ऑप्शन ए हाई टेम्परेचर, बी लो टेम्परेचर, सी मोर स्पेस, डी लेस स्पेस। स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन बा स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस पाई लो टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड रही थाए, that is 2 to 2.5 degree Celsius lower than the normal internal body temperature. It requires low temperature. Option B is the correct answer. Next 91. Who did propose the scheme for 5 kingdom classification? Option B is the correct answer. R.H. Whitaker. Next. In which type of cell is nuclear membrane absent? Option A plant, B human, C prokaryotic, D eukaryotic. Nuclear membrane is absent in prokaryotic cell. Option C is the correct answer. Which is the longest phase of mitosis? Option A metaphase, B telophase, C anaphase, D prophase. Option D prophase is the longest phase of mitosis, because it has been further subdivided into 5 phases, that is leptotin, zygotin, pachitin, diplotin and diakinesis. 94. Read the statements and indicate the correct one. I. Birds of female and male have ZW and ZZ sex chromosome respectively. एटा correct अच्छी. बर्ड फीमेल रे ZW हेटेरोजाइगस थाए और मेल रे होमोजाइगस ZZ क्रोमोसोम थाए. Second देइछि the method of preparing linkage maps of a species is called chromosome mapping. Yes, it is also correct. Third देइछि 10% crossover or recombination is one contimorgan. एटा wrong अछि. Correct answer हेबो I and double I right but triple I wrong. Option A is the correct answer. Next. Who did propose the genic balance theory of sex determination? Option A Breach, B Johansson, C Carl Correns, D Murebar. Option A is the correct answer. Breach. Next, at the end of glycolysis, each molecule of glucose produce how many molecule of pyruvate? Option A 2, B 4, C 36, D 38. Option A is the correct answer. 2. Next 97. The high energy compound which enter into mitochondria to start Krebs cycle is called. Option B acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A enter into mitochondria to start Krebs cycle. 98. Which vitamin is necessary for formation of RBC? Option A B12, option B D, option C B6, option D A. Correct answer is option A B12. Vitamin B12 is necessary for formation of RBC. 99. Which chamber of heart is functionally most efficient? A. Left auricle, B. Left ventricle, C. Right auricle, D. Right ventricle. Correct answer is B. Left ventricle. Last. The type of nephron which become functional during acute shortage of water is called A. Glomerular nephron, B. Macula densa, C. Cortical nephron, D. Juxtamedullary nephron. Correct answer is D, which is juxtamedullary nephron. यही थिला टोटल 20 क्वेश्चन. आशा करुछि वीडियोटी आपण मानक पई हेल्पफुल हेथिबो. जदि वीडियो पसंद आछि वीडियो को लाइक करंतु, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी सांग मानक सहित शेयर करंतु. थैंक यू. कीप लर्निंग.